हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 8 का माई इंग्लिश बुक 8 1.2 एंड्रोक्लिस एंड द लायन इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप देखो, उसमें फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन ए, मैच द फ्रेजेस इन कॉलम ए विद देयर मीनिंग इन कॉलम बी। तो फर्स्ट का आंसर है देखो, ट्राइंग टू सर्च फॉर। सेकेंड, in front of each other. Third one, summon of courage, try to be brave, E. Okay. थर्ड का है A, 5 का है D. क्वेश्चन बी, रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस फ्रॉम द स्टोरी। ये सेंटेंस स्टोरी में दिए गए हैं, उनको हमें रीड करना है। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, दे वर बाउंड बाय लॉ टू ओबे देयर मास्टर। सेकेंड, द काइंड मैन बाउंड अप द लॉयंस इंजर्ड पॉ। थर्ड वन, द लॉयन बाउंडेड टुवर्ड्स एंड्रोक्लिस अगेन। The word bound carries three different meaning in each of the sentence. देखो, 3 डिफरेंट सेंटेंस है, स्टोरी में आए गए हैं तीनों भी सेंटेंस और इनका मीनिंग डिफरेंट है। तो फर्स्ट जो सेंटेंस दिया है उसका मीनिंग क्या आता है, तो उसका मीनिंग है बी मीन्स फोर्स टू फॉलो। ओके। सेकेंड सेंटेंस जो है उसका मीनिंग सी मीन्स टायर्ड ऑफ। ओके। थर्ड जो सेंटेंस है उसका मीनिंग है रश फॉरवर्ड, ए। Put the correct letter A, B, C in the boxes according to their proper meaning. तो मीनिंग के अकॉर्डिंग हमें बॉक्सेस में सिर्फ लेटर पुट करने थे, वो पुट कर दिए हैं। C question. Now translate each of 3 sentence A, B, C into your medium of instructions. मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन ट्रांसलेट कर देना है तीनों भी सेंटेंस को। A है, the lion bounded towards Androcles again. आंसर, सिंहाने एंड्रोक्लिसकडे पुन्हा झेप घेतली. बी क्वेश्चन, दे वर बाउंड बाय लॉ टू ओबे देअर मास्टर. आन्सर, त्यांना त्यांच्या मालकाचे नियम पाळणे कायद्याने बंधनकारक आहे. सी क्वेश्चन, द किंग मॅन बाउंड अप द लॉयन्स इंजर्ड पॉ. आन्सर, ते दयाळू माणसाने सिंहाचा जखमी पंजा घट्ट बांधला. क्वेश्चन 2 ए है, उसमें फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी द एंटोनिम्स मीन्स अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। उसमें फर्स्ट है काइंड, अपोजिट वर्ड है क्रूल। सेकेंड है पुअर, अपोजिट वर्ड है वेल्दी। थर्ड वन स्लेव, अपोजिट वर्ड मास्टर। फोर्थ वन हाई, अपोजिट वर्ड है लो। 5 नंबर 5 है पनिशमेंट, अपोजिट है रिवार्ड। 6 अनबाउंड, अपोजिट है बाउंड। 7 टेंडर, अपोजिट है टॉट। 8 हैप्पी, अपोजिट है अनहैप्पी. B question, find from the story 5 words that describe the sound made by the lions. Answer, growl, roared, moan, whimpered, purr. Question 3, write the reaction that follow each of the actions given below. A. Androcles did not like his cruel master, so he felt death was better than serving such a master, and he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. B है, the lion looked at Androcles piteously, so Androcles paused and then he moved very cautiously towards the lion and saw that the lion's paw was wounded, sore and swollen. C question, Androcles belonged the lion's injured paw, so the lion licked him arm as if to show gratitude, which surprised and wounded Androcles. D question, a hungry ferocious lion was released into the arena, so Androcles was filled with fear, but he showed he was not afraid. E question, the lion reached Androcles and then it moved slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted and it recognized its friend. F. The emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, so he replied that he didn't want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. Question number 4. Write in your own words 3 to 4 sentences about each of the following. First, the condition of slaves in ancient Rome. Answer, in ancient Rome, the condition of slaves was critical. The slaves were forced to work for their masters They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no right, even when they were unhappy with their master. They could not leave him. They were bound by law to obey their master, however weak he might be. Question 2 है qualities of androcles. Answer. Androcles was a very kind man, so when he saw the lion in pain, he did not think about his life, whereas he thought about the lion's distress and tried to help him. He was kind, cooperative, understanding, sensitive, brave, courageous, and friendly by nature. Question 3. Even wild animal can be our friends. Answer. Yes, even wild animal can be our friends because they have also feelings and emotions. If we help them, definitely they will not be cruel with us. They know how to give reaction to our action. If we treat them cruelly, definitely that will be cruel with us. And if we treat them friendly and affectionate, they can be our friends. Narrate to your class any short story about kindness to animal or how animal can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give it a title of your own. तो देखो स्टोरी का टाइटल है फेथफुल डॉग मोती. Story है when I was 4 years old, I had a little dog named Moti. He was a faithful dog to our family. He used to take care of me when I was little. Mother always trusted Moti because he was never know to leave me or allow anyone to touch me. One day when I was in house playing with my dolls, Moti was not with me. I know that the back door was open and I could get outdoors without being seen. So I got my doll all dressed up because I was going to take her too. I put my coat and hat on and started off. My doll and I got outdoors and had started down the lane to the canal when I felt something pulling on my dress. I looked around and there was Moti. Oh, how angry I was. I slapped Moti, but he knew I was doing wrong. He pulled me home. When I got home, mother and my grandmother were looking for me. When they saw Moti pulling me, they gave on scream and ran to me and Moti wagged his tail. Mother put me to bed, but she gave Moti a big piece of meat. लैंग्वेज स्टडी है. अंडरलाइन द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस में जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है उनको हमें अंडरलाइन करना है. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में देखो हैव, ये ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है. सेकंड सेंटेंस में इज, थर्ड में मस्ट, शुड, डिड, हैड, वाज, डिड, कुड, वुड, वेयर एंड शुड. ये सभी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, उनको मैंने अंडरलाइन कर दिया है. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.